Yo, come in. We've been waiting for ya, man. Alright, have a seat, everybody. And want to share your stories? Alright, let's start with you, Neptune.
You guys want to know how I came here?
Yeah, man.
My parents and I were traveling above the Earth when I was 10 years old, because there was a brutal civil war in our planet, Neptune, as like you guys are encountering now. But one nostalgic moment that I have to break through was our UFO crashed into an asteroid, and I fell down towards your planet. I couldn't know my parents are still alive or not, guys. I had to sneak into some clothing stores to hide my identity. I had to pretend like a human and ask for somewhere to stay at an old blind man house. Later he passed away. And what about yours, guys?
So now, let's move on yours, Xins.
1 month ago, I was in a summer class that wasn't cool though. My classmates humiliated me all the time. However, I try not to listen to them. On my way home, I found a woman that $500,000 was the surprise for my firstborn.
So you didn't find the owner? That was unethical, bruh.
Anyway, your turn, tall boy.
My one is
A few months ago, I was researching to invent a new way of energy production. After so many attempts, I found a technique to make photosynthesis in my body. Then, I decided to save my environment.
Rush, your turn.
Oh, you guys want to know about me? I mean, you better don't try to know about it. That was tragic.
come on, Rush. Let's know.
Alright, so a year ago, I was just an ordinary kid. But one night, I heard fire alarm all over the city. That night, I found a house on fire. A lady and her child were trapped in it. Nobody was trying to save them, owing to the situations in this country. So I had to enter that house. I brought a more functioning door, and I went into that, and I jumped out of a window, carrying them. Her child was unfortunately already passed, and yeah. Sooner or later, her mother was also trying to spill some words, her last words, before her death. I literally feel heartbreaking when I have to, express those things back. And that time, imagine a maternal pain, where a lady lost her child. It was such a tragedy. After her death, some drops of magical tears escaped from her eyes. Those flowed and stained on a big rock. And the magical reaction happened to form a metal which can connect with your soul. That's why I call it soulium. So I forged my own weapon to save families and relatives out there. And the equipped lion became.
Oh, I'm truly sorry to hear your story, man.
Alright, so I'll meet you all later. I gotta go somewhere now.
I said it. Who's gonna stop me now?
Your love's a lasso wild and mean. It ties me up in every scene. I can't escape, I can't outrun. You're the bullet and I'm the gun. It's a rodeo of the heart, breaking me down, tearing me apart. You spin me round like a whirlwind's art. Vicious love